presented on thinking infrastructurally about data and AI regulation. And that project built on existing work that we have been doing at Guarini Global Law and Tech and the Institute for International Law and Justice at NYU School of Law. So it draws on the MegaReg project about mega regulatory agreements and how they affect domestic regulation. It builds on the Global Data Law project about data as a regulatory phenomenon, data as a regulatory object for global governance. And it builds on InfraReg, the idea that infrastructures regulate and that we need to understand infrastructures infrastructurally to analyze these kinds of phenomena. So my presentation in that way questions whether we should think of data as a regulatory object, if we should think of data as a thing to which we can then apply the law. Instead, we need to think about data as something that is generated through infrastructures. And the idea of thinking infrastructurally then draws on infrastructure studies to highlight the entangled technical, social, and organizational dimensions that work together to produce data. And if we understand data in that way, we can then find new avenues for regulatory interventions in the technical, social, and organizational domains. The idea behind the project then became to think about artificial intelligence, AI, in similar fashion. So instead of treating AI as a thing or as a product, as the Artificial Intelligence Act does, we can think about different AI infrastructure. So the examples I used were both the infrastructures that make a particular AI product possible, as the Amazon Echo depends on a whole ecosystem, as Kate Crawford and Vladimir Koller have shown, and we can analyze the AI creating infrastructure, so large language models, general purpose AI systems that we might need to regulate as infrastructures to have more effective regulation. So the bottom line would be, instead of regulating data as an object and artificial intelligence as an object, we should think infrastructurally about data and AI regulation.